In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a 1xBet account permanently in 2026 with a step-by-step guide to close your betting account. To begin, open the 1xBet website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're accessing the correct account before moving forward, because this process is meant for permanent closure, not a temporary logout or pause. Once you're signed in, the first important thing to do is check your account balance and any activity that's still in progress. If you have money left in the account, withdraw the remaining balance before requesting closure. You should also make sure any pending bets are settled first. This is important because unresolved transactions or active bets can delay the closure request or prevent the account from being closed right away. After that, go to your profile or account settings section. Look carefully through the available options to see whether 1xBet offers a built-in feature to close or deactivate your account. In some cases, platforms include a self-service option, while in other cases, you'll need to contact support directly. Take a moment here and review the settings clearly so you don't miss that option. If you don't see any way to close the account yourself, the next step is to contact 1xBet customer support. You can usually do this through live chat, email, or the contact form provided on the platform. Choose the support method that works best for you, and be clear in your message that you want to permanently close your account. When submitting your request, you may be asked to verify your identity. This can include details such as your account ID, your registered email address, or your phone number. Only provide the information required for verification and make sure everything matches the details on your account so the process goes smoothly. After you send the request, follow any additional instructions from the support team. They may ask you to confirm that you really want the account permanently closed before they process it. Read their reply carefully and complete any confirmation steps they give you. Finally, wait for official confirmation that your account has been closed. This may come through email or live chat depending on how you contacted support. Once you receive that confirmation, keep a copy of the message or transcript for your records in case you need proof later. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your 1xBet account in 2026.